Hi, this is Pawar. How are you? Fine? Okay. Dear students, in the last classes we learned about the nature of principles of management. Okay? Yes. Then in the today's lecture we learn about the significance of principles of management. Yes. In the today's lecture we learn about what? The significance. Significance, that means importance or the advantages of principles of management. Okay? Yes. Then we see that one by one. First one, providing managers with useful insight into reality. Yes. Providing managers, the principles of management are providing managers with how that means here with useful insight. Useful insight, that means here the word differently used in the different situations, but here in this concept the insight, that means internal quality or the internal capacity of that manager into reality, that means into real world. Okay, that means here the principles of management are introducing the managers with useful insights. Useful insights, that means useful here the internal quality or internal capacity. That internal quality or internal capacity, that means the mental awareness of manager to the reality, that means to the real world. Okay? Yes. Then principles of management are ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಂತ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರುವಂತ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಒದಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆರ್ ಇಂಟು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ, ಆ ಏನು ಒಂದು ನೈಜತೆ ಇದೆ ಆ ನೈಜತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ನೈಜ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒದಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ the first importance of the principles of management. Then second one, optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. Yes, optimum utilization of resources. See, optimum utilization of resources, that means the proper utilization of resources. Yes, the proper utilization of available resources and by through with the effective administration. Okay, see here the resources, that means here the broadly we categorize that resources into four types, or here we call them as a 4 M's. Yes, the resources are broadly we call here that the 4 M's. Then which are the 4 M's? Yes, see, first one, men. Men is called what? The humans. Then second, yes, materials. Okay. The next, methods. The next, machine. Okay. So there are 4 M's. We here there are 4 M's are properly utilized in the business organization by through the help of the principles of management. Okay. So here we calling that the what? The optimum utilization of resources. Yes. So ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳನ್ನ ಸದ್ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು ಎದರಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ? By through the help of the that principles of management. ಆ principles of management ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ ಏನು ರಿಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಗಳಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲಗಳಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ here we commonly says that the resources 4M's ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. 4M's ಯಾವು? Yes, so ಒಂದು men, that means here human beings, ಏನು ನಮ್ಮ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ men ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. and here and next ಯಾವುದು? ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. Yes, method and machine. Okay, so you 4M's ಗಳನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. these 4M's are properly utilized in the business organization by through the help of that the principles of management and by through the effective administration. Okay, yes. The next one, scientific decisions. Yes, scientific decisions. See, The principles of management are based on the logical reasoning. Okay, the principles of management are based on the logic or logical reasoning, and not the decisions are taken on the blind faith. Okay, so in the business organization, what happens? The principles of management provides the logics for the business organization, and there were by through with that principles of management the effective decisions are taken. That's why we calling that here the principles of management based on the scientific decisions. Okay, that principles of management are based on the what? The scientific decisions. That means here the decisions are taking here on the basis of logic, but not the blind faith. Okay, so ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? By through the logic manner, but not the in blind faith. ಏನು ಅಂಧಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಂಧವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್? ಎಸ್, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ಸೊ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್ ದಿ ಲಾಜಿಕ್? ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, the building is appreciable in the future days. Okay, so that is one logic. Yes or no? Yes, yes. Okay, so ಹೇಗೆ ಏನು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಟೇಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ appreciable in the future days. Okay, then ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು that is assumption or known truth. Okay, that means here the land value is increasing in the future days. That is one logic. On the basis of that, the principles of management taking the decisions, but not on the blind faith. That's why here we calling that the principles of management are based on scientific decisions. Okay, yes. The next one, meeting changing environment requirements. Okay, meeting changing environment requirement. That means here the environment is dynamic in nature. That the environment is dynamic in nature. Dynamic, that means ever changing. That means here the components or the factors of the environment are ever changing, and according to the changing environment, our principles of management are changed. Okay, yes. Then while we learn about the nature of principles of management, we learn that the principles of management are not the rigid, they are flexible. Okay, that means here when we require, we make the changes in the principles of management. Then here we saying that the meeting the changing environment requirement. That means here how the environment is changed, according to we apply or we modify those principles. Okay, yes. Then environment ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ ನೇಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಚುಯೇಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅದರ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Okay, yes, that is one important law, that principles of management. The next one, fulfilling social responsibility. Yes, fulfilling social responsibility. See, in the today's world, the customer are more intelligent, or the customers are aware about the business organization, or the customers are aware about the business environment. Okay, that's why here the any business organization have to have provide or facilitate to that society. That means here each business have the, or each corporations have the social responsibility or social obligations. Then which are there? That means here providing the job opportunity for locality, yes, or providing the qualitative products, or providing the good environment conditions, or providing the qualitative products with reasonable price, okay, or providing the any other incentives to the that participants of that society, okay. So it is here covered under the what, the social responsibility. So social responsibility ಏನು principles of management ಏನು help ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ in the surviving or in the providing or fulfilling the social responsibility. ಏನು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವುಗಳ ಪೂರೈಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, management training, education and research. Yes, the principles of management also helps in where that means management training or management education or the management research, okay. Yes, that means here the principles of management are based on the theory of management, okay. The principles of management are based on what, the theory of management, and that theory of management are provided in any or in every education institutions or in every management educational institutions like BBA, MBA, okay. So BBA that means Bachelor of Business Administration, MBA that means Master of Business Administration, okay. And other research trainings are provided by through the that help of that principles of management, okay. Yes, this is about the what, the significance of principles of management. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment on the same. I will clarify, okay. Thank you.